Ang bagal mo naman magluto! Ano ba?
Yung plato, walang naghuhugas.
Ba't mo na maayos?
Family that prays together, di ba? Pwede yung plays
Plays
together.
Plays together.
Plays together.
Okay na.
Plays and praise na lang. Diba?
Tapos pag nag-overcoat,
Poster.
mag-aaway-away.
Pare, overcooked.
Welcome to the Black Shirt Crew Podcast. Ito ang podcast para sa mga church creative like you and me. More than just second tools, pag-uusapan natin ang buhay church creative behind the scenes and of course, our faith that fuels it all. Tara, samahan mo kami sa aming kwentuhan.
Cold open.
Wow.
Hello guys, welcome to the Black Shirt Crew Podcast. Ang podcast para sa mga church creatives like you and me. Ano yung nahulog kayo?
Ayun.
Yeah, welcome to the 30th episode of our podcast. Congratulations kasi naka-30 na tayo. By the way, we will be your hosts. My name is Chris.
Ako po si JR.
Ako po si Chevy.
At parang hindi pa kayo sanay.
Yes.
And we'd also like to welcome our guest in the house. He is our speaker for today who graduated in De La Salle College of St. Benilde. He has been using streaming as his platform for ministry and has been doing so ever since the pandemic. His involvement with Crew has equipped him with ideas on how to do digital outreaches using his passion. His goal is to equip digital crusaders to rally into the online world and share God's love in the digital space. Ang IGN niya po sa mga nakakalaro niya, Azure Penguin. So, we'd like to welcome you, Sir Enz. Welcome to
Thank you
to
for
our
having
setup.
Welcome, Sir Azure.
Sir Azure. Kamusta naman po kayo?
Mama,
Batiin?
nandito na ako sa TV. So, shout out lang no, sa, of course, sa crew. Kung walang crew, walang Azure Penguin Gaming. And also for the Indigitus, no? Sila Ace, sila Kuya Jomer, sila Kuya Mel. And syempre sa work ko rin na who allowed me to come here kasi work time eh. Sa Land of Promise.
Okay. So kasama to sa sa hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So yeah guys, we'd also like to welcome our viewers.
Like and share. Tapos, sa comment section, i-comment nga po ninyo dyan, anong mga games, mga online games nila.
Oh, yeah.
Interested kami malaman ano bang mga games na nilalaro ng mga taga Media Ministry Forum.
Umamin na kayo.
Let us know.
Umamin na
Candy
kayo kung
Crush.
anong mga laro niyo. Okay. So alam niyo before we just start talking about the topic, no. Our title pala for this episode is Respawn or Reset. So gaming, mental health and raising the next generation. Very important especially sa mga pangyayari recently and sa mga balita na nababalitaan natin. But before we begin talking about it, let's just play this very quick
Sige.
game. Masaya-saya to.
Sige.
Umamin kayo.
Okay, so magkakaroon tayo ng tanungan. Fast talk, pero gamer edition. So may mga question ako, tataas nyo lang yung thumbs up pag yes, no, kapag no, yung red, yung thumbs down.
Ganun pala yan.
Oh,
So yes or no? Pwedeng yes or no or thumbs up or thumbs down.
yeah.
Yes.
So join kayo guys sa question na to.
Okay.
Nakabahan ako, meron ba yan?
Hindi.
So, paramihan ng points?
Paramihan ng points. Okay. First, solo gamer? Yes, no?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Most
Okay.
of the time.
Most of the time.
So no na lang.
So, sino yung mas multiplayer? Co-op gamer?
Me, yes.
Sino sa inyo ang naka-reach na ng final level ng game na nilalaro nila?
Kahit anong game? Maski dati pa nung bata pa.
Diyan, anong game yun?
Lahat kasi tinatapos ko talaga eh.
Oo.
Hindi pwedeng...
Zelda.
Oh, wow, Legend of Zelda.
Ako matagal din ang usapan.
Ako lahat ng open world games. Spider-Man, Spider-Man 2, Spider-Man 3.
Wow,
Lahat ng Spider-Man.
Sakto, brand new day na.
Oo nga eh. Sponsor naman dyan, tickets.
Okay. Sino dito ang suki o laking com shop?
Hindi naman masyado.
Noong time
Masyado.
meron.
Talaga?
Oo, yeah.
Laking com shop na.
Saan ka naglalaro, Sir J?
Down ako eh. Pero naglalaro ko dati nung high school ako. Sa school lang, sa labas ng school.
Mga CS
Mga
days. Didas 3.
Ayan, doon ako nakatira. Dati yun sa profile ko nakalagay, pag location nakalagay or place, nilalagay ko Didas.
Okay.
Hometown, Didas.
Ano ako? Mineski.
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 Okay,
Pag
sa
may
mga
pera.
laking com shop, Sino dito yung nakipagbubugan na dahil sa laro?
Nakipagbugbugan.
Naranasan? Totoo. Ayun, no? Okay. Reveal.
Mga violent itong kasama ko.
Okay, kwento. Konting kwento.
Ano yun? To be fair, hindi pa ako Christian nun.
Nambumbog. Cristiano, nambumbog.
Ano? Hinadukin mo.
Senior yun.
Wow.
Ikaw, Chris.
Tawag dito, nakaasar kasi sila eh. Tapos inasar ko din sila.
Kasama kasi yung trash talk sa Filipino gaming. Part of the, ano yun?
Yeah.
Baka napaka-violent.
Pero hindi
Part
ko
of the
siya,
game mechanics.
hindi ko siya environment, pero inaasar nila ako kasi baguhan pala ako sa Dota eh. Nung paglaro ko. Tapos pagsabi ko nung naasar na ako, napikon na rin siya. So yun. nang asaran ng mama.
Ngayon.
Ngayon?
Ngayon? Wala na.
Siyempre naman.
Kasi wala sa com shop.
Online na lang.
Oo.
Okay.
Next.
Okay. Sino dito ang nahugutan ng saksakan o piyatayan ng wifi ng magulang or ng asawa kung sino man kasama sa bahay? Kakalaro.
Oh, hindi pa.
Hindi naman kakalaro. Accidentally.
Accidentally.
Oo.
Okay.
Yung anak ko, may pindutan. Ano yan? Tapos namatay computer ka ba naglalaro? Ala.
Buti na.
Parang delikado
Ginamit
yun.
Ginamit ni Lord yung anak mo para tumigil ka.
Kuryente.
Tama na daw.
Mag-parenting ka naman daw.
Okay. Sino dito ang mobile cellphone gamers?
Sometimes, pero like most of my games are PC or console.
Okay. So sa mga nag-game
Counted
cellphone.
ba yung Y8 na games? Mga Y8, yung mga Y8. Yung mga
kaya mo
makeup
laruin
browser.
sa cellphone yun?
Browser games?
Pang ano yun
Yeah,
ah?
sana ko lang
Asana ko lang. O,
Hindi ako hindi.
na-experience na bang maglaro habang nasa CR?
Siyempre, oo.
Ayan. Ay, hindi. Wow.
Ng computer?
Very
Hindi ko kaya dali yung desktop.
desktop. Hindi,
Computer.
Desktop na sa CR.
Hindi mo yun.
Okay. Sa mga games naman, Mobile Legends
Wala
player.
akong points ah. Ay, hindi rin ako.
Not anymore.
Wild Drift.
Or I did play.
Wild Drift.
LOL. Yan, League of Legends.
MOBA games.
Okay, Counter-Strike.
Yes, yan.
Actually, hindi masyado.
Ako din eh.
Laking Counter-Strike ako. Comshop.
Hindi ako FPS gamer talaga.
Dota.
Yeah.
Dota, yes.
Dota,
Ano yun
yes.
Hindi pa siya Dota. Nasa World of Warcraft.
Okay.
yun pala yung story.
Yung ano pa lang siya, parang plug-in pa lang siya
Yeah.
or something. Yeah. Custom game pala.
Ragnarok.
Yes.
Saglit.
Yung may cards pa.
No.
Yung subscription type pero
High school.
preloaded.
90s yun ah. 90s
Oo.
nga ba yun?
Oo.
Okay, eto. Sa joystick to eh. Contra.
Yan.
Contra. Arcade.
Yeah.
Family computer.
Siyempre, Tekken.
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 Childhood ng lahat. Okay, eto. Sino naglaro ng Candy Crush?
Ako rin, syempre.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Kami guilty. Guilty.
Nakikita lang namin.
Anong level
Ayaw niya
ka?
yun sa FB. Okay, sino dito ang gumamit na ng cheat code sa laro?
Syempre.
Cheat code sa kontra.
Ano yung cheat code?
Up, down, left, right. Ano ba?
Kabisado.
Konami
Kabisado pa rin.
Ano ginagawa?
AB
30
select
lives.
start.
Hindi ka makamatay.
Hindi, 30 lives sa kontra.
Wow.
Pinagbabawal na technique dati yun.
Ako sa GTA eh. Hesoyam.
Cheat engine. Yung
Nag-cheat code kayo?
Cheat
Kahit,
engine.
Yeah,
Game
yeah.
Shark.
Yeah.
kahit
Game
Christian?
Shark, yeah.
Kahit Christian ako.
Hindi pa Christian.
Ah,
Hindi pa kami Christian.
hack. Hack kasi.
Wag cheat daw.
Sino ditong nakasira ng controller or keyboard dahil sa rage?
Sa rage, ako hindi.
Dahil sa
Hindi pa.
galit o stress?
Headset.
Super hindi ka naman.
Yung naglalaro ka, tapos may biglang sumigaw sa tenga mo. Tapos, galit ka na, nagalit ka pa rin. Tapos, napaano mo na lang. And,
So, nabato.
the rest is history.
Nabato nyo. Plants vs. Zombies.
Yes,
naman.
of course.
Yes.
Oh, gusto mo pa, bookworm pa ka, feeding frenzy o Zuma.
Okay. Sino dito ang nasabihan na ng noob ng teammate?
Oh, syempre.
Siyempre.
Ako hindi yata.
Nagsabi din. Nagsabi din.
Nagsabi.
Wala pa yung,
Nagsabi.
nung 90s
Nasabihan
wala pa
at
yung term
nagsabi.
na yan eh. Kaya walang nagsasabi sa
So,
amin.
ano yung term noon?
Bobo.
Ayoko na sabihin.
Walang gumagamit na ng dupa na.
Okay. Sige. Sino yung pro? Sino yung pro?
Pro sa trash talk.
Uy, sa ibang.
Pro sa game.
Sa trash
Nasabihan
talk.
ng pro.
Oo.
Mas malakas pa yung ano.
Or masasabi niyo bang pro kayo sa game na nilalaro
Ako sa
niyo?
2K, sa NBA 2K. yan.
Depende.
NBA. Wow.
Minsan, mas malakas yung trash talk ko sa damage ko sa laro.
Trash talker ka? Okay, sino dito yung nag-join na ng gaming tournament?
Yeah, me.
Parang never pa. Never pa ata ako.
Sige, kay Sir J, anong experience yun?
Sa NBA din, 2K. Pero natalo ako sa finals. Medyo masakit siya. Kasi ang premium nun, PlayStation eh. Natalo.
Oh my
Natalo.
gosh.
Tapos nanonood sila Alvin Patrimonio. Tapos
Totoo?
may mga people.
Wow.
Natalo
Sa
ako
mall
finals.
yan? Ganun?
Sa Sony event.
Wow.
Ayun na ako, PlayStation.
ka na ba
yun.
nun?
So talagang
Wala.
PlayStation
Ah,
na.
ito na ako.
Talaga?
Pero hindi naman siya pro league, ano lang siya, parang event lang na to. Pero nanginayang ako.
PS4.
Kasi nakaabot ka sa dulo.
PS3 ata yun, ha?
Kasi nakaabot ka sa dulo. Grabe. Sayang. Grabe, gamer pala ito eh.
Wow.
Hindi, yun lang. Laro lang.
Lumalabas
lang.
ng hidden
Kay,
talents.
kay Sir N, saan po kayo sumali?
Counter-Strike noon.
Oh, wow.
High school pa kami noon.
Anong pa-premium?
Trauma versus tropa.
Cash.
Hindi ko alam eh. Pero basta talo kami.
Bragging rights.
Nakainit ng ulo yung laro na yun.
Pag talo ka, hindi mo na ilalam yung price para hindi mo na isipin. Para hindi sayang.
Okay. So, sino dito ang nag-install ng game na hindi na nila nilaro talaga?
Oh, ako.
Very guilty.
Oo, very
Anong
guilty.
game?
Dami. Lalo na sa Epic, ang daming ang
Ay,
daming
yeah,
free.
yeah. Oo, sa Epic Games.
Every Friday ko,
Dami
nag-sponsored.
free.
Non-sponsored by the way. Ayan. Every Friday may free game. Kinukuha mo lang, pero hindi mo
Yeah.
lalaroin. Tapos
Yeah.
Sayang
backlogs. Oh.
Pero may mga nagustuhan ako. Like, for example,
Oy, may Tomb Raider nung Christmas,
Oh,
di ba?
wow.
Full series nun, pero hindi pa kaya ng computer ko.
So, sino naman dito yung, kung may nagalit, sino dito yung umiyak? Ah,
umiyak sa frustration ako
sa frustration.
sa Game Boy.
Oo.
Kasi,
Game Boy?
yeah, meron akong kalaban sa Pokemon na hirap na hirap ako lagi. Tapos pinagalitan ako ni mama. Kasi parang,
Mas
naiiyak na ako sa
nakikilala ko na si Chris. Kaya ka pala ganyan, Chris. Kasi
Ha?
yung
Ha?
Softy.
mas nakikilala ko na si Chris. Pagkabata pala niya, ganyan.
Kalmado lang akong
Guess ko
tao.
na, guess ko.
Oh, wag ma-rage bait.
Kalmado lang ako.
Laro lang to. At
Kalmado nga lang ako, di ba?
Gusto niya manalo sa game na to.
Okay. So lastly, sino sa inyo ang kinoconsider ang sarili na gamer talaga? Yes.
Gamer
So,
talaga.
gamer at the heart, kalahati?
Siguro yes. May mga
Yes.
game ako na gusto. May mga game na wala lang. Pero yeah, I like
Yeah.
gaming.
Pero,
Yes.
Me too. Wala lang akong card.
Anong favorite game mo? You would say, ngayon.
Dance Revolution.
Ito ba topic?
Wow, gamer. Gamer na talaga.
Gamer?
Digital, online.
Hindi,
yan.
Genshin Impact.
Genshin Impact. Okay.
Makabago na
Genshin
eh.
Impact.
Sir,
Nice.
banggit mo Dance Dance Revolution. Di ba meron na yung mga kamay ngayon?
Ayun.
Oh, yung ganun, yung
Oo,
bilog.
may nakita
Nakita
ko
ko
sa
sa
Mega.
mga-
Naka-gloves pa sila.
Oh, correct.
Oo.
Ang bilis eh.
Ikaw ba yun? Ikaw yung nakita ko nagaganon sa SM?
Hindi.
Hindi ba yun?
Nakita ko lang. Ano ba? Ba't ako? Ikaw mo, Sir Eds. Anong favorite game mo ngayon?
Ngayon, Valorant.
Okay.
Just because
Kaway-kaway.
I play with my friends.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Ako yung, nila, weights training. Ako yung pabigat eh.
Anong term? Anong term?
Weight training nila.
Okay. Wait.
Nice.
Bot
Pag-
frag parate, pero
Pero ano yung game na anong game ang nagpahilig sa'yo maglaro na?
it has to be Monster Hunter.
Oh
Sabi
my
na kay
gosh.
Monster. Yeah.
Wow.
I played it in PS2 days pa.
Okay.
Wala pa siyang multiplayer.
Yeah.
So I just played by myself. Pero yung nag-boost talaga ng gaming is yung nag-start na PSP days.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kasi dati console
Mortal
yung
Kombat.
may PS2 kami up to 2 player lang. 4 kami magkakapatid.
Okay.
So salitan.
Yeah.
So yun yung fun lang ganun. Pero nung PSP days, lahat kami nabilhan ng PSP.
Ang saya nun.
So
Saya.
in a Monster Hunter, 4 in a group, diba?
Ang saya
Group
nun.
hunt kami parate.
Oh my God.
Hindi naman siguro nanonood nanay ko, no? Kunyari tulog na kami, naka-separate room kami, di ba? Tapos pag
Childhood.
umalis na yung parents, bigla, lalabas na kami lahat ng Hindi pa uso CCTV nun, so hindi kami alam. Tapos natataka yung parents ko, ba't kinabukasan? Parang hindi kayo natulog.
Parang po yan. Yeah.
Parang puyat.
Low energy.
Yeah, na-experience ko rin. yun.
Sabi mo, nag-banding po kami kagabi. Kakapatid.
Pero yun yung nag-strengthen ng bonds namin ng brothers.
So talaga palang kahit sa family, gamer culture na
Yes.
talaga.
So ngayon,
Saya.
mga Monster Hunter na sila.
Yeah. Actually,
Literal.
try nga natin sa manok ko
Nasa
sa
desierto. Nasa desierto.
Pero kasi ganun siya kasaya. Para kayong para kayong nag-group fishing. Parang ganun ba? Parang ganun. So, do you think po yung mga games today, for example, try mo yung Monster Hunter nung una, pero yung mga games ngayon, do you think that they're different from how it was dati? So, ngayon to now, ano sa tingin niyo po? Yung
One big factor talaga is yung socialization, no?
yeah.
Previously, most of the games are either console or solo ka, ganyan.
Yeah.
And then, unless you go to com shop, diba? But like ngayon, it's more accessible. Most of the games in
Kasi
mobile
may
are
mobile.
online.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
And then may social aspects parate. So you can know people from across the world, diba?
Tsaka yung mga classic games dati nasa mobile na or PC.
Oo.
Sobrang dali mag-connect. Like, before, for example, Game Boy, kung gusto mo makipaglaro sa
Bibili
iba,
ka pa.
may cable ka
May
pang
cable.
specific na bibilin. Until internet became more usable for everyone. No? Since may anak ka na po, would you let them have the same gaming childhood that you had before?
Of
When you were
course. Papa-Elden Ring ko yan.
Oh,
At age 3.
Grabe.
Joke lang.
Teach them young.
Dark Souls, mga ganun.
Grade 5 naman.
But yeah, for now, my kids are playing yung mga drawing games, yung mga
Yeah.
number games.
Yung sumisikat po recently, yung parang kailangan mo ipoposition mo yung sarili mo or what yung
Mecha
character
Chameleon?
mo.
Yeah, Mecha
Gusto ko matry
Chameleon.
yun.
Yeah, that's so fun.
Libre
Saan
po ba yun?
Steam, 200 pesos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lately,
Saka yan.
nag-viral
Ang galing ng concept niya kasi may usual games na prop hunt tawag nila.
Yeah.
So parang
Yeah.
Counter-Strike,
Yep.
tapos yung mga magtatago, mag-hide
Yeah,
as.
yeah.
yung mga-
Nakikita ko rin yan.
Sa mga FPS games talaga siya yun.
Yung pala yun.
Tapos
Apo.
ito, ginawa nilang indie game developer to I think Japan.
Yeah.
Tapos they made na yung tao ka. Tapos pipinturahan mo sarili mo.
Dapat
Para
tumama.
Nakita ko sa social
Camouflage.
media pala yun.
Galing.
Laro pala yun.
Pero ang
Ang
tagal,
galing ng concept.
alam mo yung inisip ko dun, para ang tagal palang gawin nun. Kasi kailangan mong,
Depende
Mabilis
sa
ka
creative
dapat
juices
gumalaw.
mo. Oo.
Okay.
Kumbaga may
Skill.
right side of the brain saan ka tatago. Left side of the brain yung painting
Yeah.
skills mo kung paano ka magbe-blend.
Yeah.
Sorry kung kalimutan ko which is left or right.
Yeah.
Basta yun.
pero when you think about it, parang if we were to have kids play these types of games, parang okay din naman diba?
Yeah,
Parang
okay naman.
creativity na-apply, yung tawag dito, yung parang survival feeling na parang may nangahabol sa'yo, na-apply
Ano
rin.
siya? Team game siya. Nakita ko nagkukulay-kulay sa
May,
nagtatago.
may hiders tapos may
Yeah.
finders.
Pahanapin niya yung mga nagtatago.
Pero
ganun.
solo
Yes.
ka lang.
Mabilisan?
May given time.
May timer.
Let's say 1 minute, find everyone.
Galing
Tapos
galing-
ang
galing na
creative
concept.
ng mga tao kung saan sila magtatago.
Yeah. Pero na-experience yun na before na sa sobrang saya yung sobrang attached nyo sa laro, parang medyo ino-overtake nyo na yung mga mo sa buhay. For example, nung time na yun, school, yung studies mo na niya na naharangan niya na.
Specifically Ragnarok. Oo. Or other online games. Kasi ang kakaibadang online games is yung wala siyang end game.
Yeah.
Kumbaga,
Yeah, correct.
Tapos you grind and grind until you get like your gears.
True. Yeah.
So parang pagod na ako. 1 hour pa, baka makakuha.
Yeah.
Ganun. Baka makakuha ng card.
Baka ito. Ano yun, Chef?
Ako, experience ko yung first time namin magkaroon ng desktop PC sa bahay.
Yeah.
So, ang internet pa noon, broadband. Wala pang
Ah,
wifi
yeah.
or
Bawal,
Globe tattoo? Yeah.
the sun. Sun yung gamit ko.
Sun.
bawal
Tas
hugutin yung
pinapaloadan
telepono.
ko pa yun para lang makapag-internet, para
Correct.
makapaglaro ng Battle Realms.
For the clan.
Ayun po, yun lang yung tanging parang Dota na UI na nagustuhan ko. Tapos Dota, di ko trip.
Tapos siya, may times na...
Nagpupuyat ako. Ayan, alam mo ka na.
Gamer ka pala talaga siya.
Oh, gamer.
Pasaway na gamer.
Na-experience mo pala yun.
Battle Realms.
Meron din, for example, yung mga online games like Dota, LOL. Pag nag-ayaan yan after klase.
Ay, yung mahirap sa mga ganyan yung last game na.
Yeah.
Last game mo after 3 games, last game pa rin.
Ubus na ng pera.
Walang
eh, no?
katapusan na diba? Lalo pag com shop ka, diba?
Ay, oo.
Open
Yung mga-
time. Ate, open time.
Yung mga ganong game naman, it's free to play. Pero kakainin ka sa skins.
Yeah.
Ang dami ngayon, hindi na, yung term na pay to win, di ba dati? Galit na galit tayo. Ngayon, pay to slay na ngayon. yung,
to slay.
yung slay yung itsura ng character mo, ganun. Parang it doesn't affect the gameplay.
Yeah.
Pero
Yung itsura mo lang.
you like it na parang boasting, ano mo lang,
ano
rights.
tawag? Cosmetics.
Cosmetics,
Parang cosmetics siya. So, nung na-experience nyo yung mga ganun, yung parang na-attach ka na masyado, what do you think? So, you can share one answer, each of you. Why do you think it's hard to stop playing? What are the reasons?
When it comes to biological effect. Biological? Hindi kasi
So,
nagre-release ng dopamine.
wow!
Yung happy hormone.
Dopamine,
Oh,
nuts.
Di ba?
May
Pag
dopamine.
nanalo ka,
Yeah.
pag maganda yung customization mo, basta nahahappy ka, nakaka-addict.
So, yung reward,
Reward.
na feeling pag
Kaya
after mo
hirap
mag-grind.
mag-detach.
Kayo po, sir.
I used to play mga ganun and tinigilan ko na kasi nakakaubos ng oras talaga.
Yeah.
Yung mostly nilalaro ko ngayon is yung you play it, then you can leave it na after a
okay.
while. Like Valorant, Dota, ganyan.
Mhm.
Although it's a long game, pero it's not like, no offense to Genshin,
Yeah.
pagka you play by yourself, parang may story, gusto mo
Mhm.
tapusin, para
Yeah.
hindi ka ma-spoiler ng ibang tao, ganun. And
Nai-immerse
it takes
ka.
longer than playing yung mga ganong games like
Okay.
Valorant lang.
So, it's less on the immersion. Less ka sa mga immersive na type of games na may story or may something na mahuhook ka.
Mm-mm.
It's something na kaya mong bitawan.
Mm-mm.
Kaya mong ilapag na lang.
Yung pangit naman doon is yung pag may friends ka na, yung nga nagla-last game na tayo, ganun.
Okay.
Pag susundan mo sila,
Yeah.
pag ano yan, nagkape, hanggang 3 o'clock gising yan. Ikaw 12 o'clock, antok-antok ka na.
Yeah.
Ako I like games na yung mga competitive games talaga. So like yung mga pwede mo laro sa mga barkada, kapatid, ganun. Like yung mga kagaya gusto ko yung mga basketball, Tekken. So yung asaran yung masaya dun eh. Tapos umabot sa point na sobrang paglalaro namin ng mga games. Sabihin ng isa, mas marami na akong panalo sa'yo. Ang ginawa namin, nililista na namin yung points. Like may listahan kami ng points.
May
Ganito ka
leaderboard
na.
sa bahay.
Hindi, sa phone lang. 100, ganito. 100 plus yung games na So, kasi dayaan kasi talagang asaran sa family yung mga ganong games.
You know, for me, I really agree dun sa mga type. If ikaw ay mahilig sa mga story-based na games, lakas niya talaga makahook ng kumbaga parang nagbabasa,
Parang
nanonood ka ng
nag-binge watch
movie.
ka ng Netflix.
Yeah,
Kasi
exactly.
story-based,
Pero-
yung may mga parang,
May
parang,
lore, may mga...
may mga parang video na papanoorin ka in between the segments ng
cutscenes.
game.
Yeah,
Mga
yeah,
cutscenes yan.
mga ganun.
Ako ini-skip ko yun pag gano'n.
Tapos
Skip
mamaya,
dialogue,
hindi
diba?
mo alam ba't mo kinalaban tong boss
Yeah.
na to. Ba't ako nandito?
May inipin ako.
In my defense, ako rin iniisip ko. So, sa sobrang tagal ko na naglalaro nun, nauumay na rin ako sa mga dialogue. Pero
Kabisado
kasi
mo
yung mga
na-
cutscenes, hindi mo siya pwede skip.
Yeah.
Ako pag pwede skip ko na talaga.
Nahook lang naman ako doon dahil may kalaro. Nung nawala na yung yung like hindi siya naglalaro, yung nagyaya sa akin, ayoko na din. Parang less time na lang, ganyan.
Do you guys think na gaming can be a safe place for children knowing na may mga ganito? Do you still think na it can be an environment that children can dwell in?
Depende sa kalaro nila eh. Kasi
Yeah.
even though ka-age nila, yung kalaro nila marami namang tayong lumaki din na it's either tayo yung nai-influence or tayo yung bad influence.
True, yeah.
So, same scenario. Pero, ang importante talaga dun is, dapat as a parent or as, siguro meron dyan as hindi pa parent or like may kapatid ka na naglalaro.
Yeah.
You know where they are and sino kalaro nila. Kasi kung, for example, let's do it in a non-digital game, no? You leave a kid in a playground. Diba?
Yeah.
So, pag may nag-approach na stranger, diba?
Yeah.
Siyempre, ma-alert ka. At least doon, kita mo. Kasi nandun ka.
Yeah.
Pero pag wala ka doon, which is yun nangyayari sa digital ngayon.
Online.
Iniiwan mo yung anak mo sa digital playground nang hinahayaan mong may stranger na lumapit sa kanya na hindi mo alam kung bata or matanda.
Na makipag-interact sa anak mo
Yes.
or sa bata. Di ba alam kung ano pag-usapan nila. Di ba?
Yeah, that's a great
Nakakatakot na.
it's a great analogy kasi usually when when people attack gaming or yung concept ng gaming, usually may maririnig ka na ay mga games na yan, demonyo,
Yes.
ano ng
Demonyo.
demonyo.
Lalo na yung game Diablo. Yan.
Oh.
Oo. Pero
So-
actually, pag titignan mo yung lore, you're preventing the devil actually.
Okay.
So, it's technically ganun.
Mm-mm.
Well, may mga aspects lang na demonic sa
Mga
nangyayari.
details.
Pero it depends naman sa maturity ng person.
Mhm.
So, you don't let kids young as 3 years old play those
Yeah,
games, di ba?
yeah.
Kasi wala pang malay yung mga yan.
Yeah.
Or like, kaya nga may rated Like rated 18,
Yeah.
rated 13, or
Yeah,
parental guidance.
Mhm.
ganun.
yeah, even when you watch movies, diba?
Yes, correct.
You guide the children on how they process yung mga certain details ng movies, or even when you even books, diba? Books, even the Bible, how do you make them understand yung part ng mga Old Testament na sobrang daming gera, sobrang diba?
May sacrifice.
Yeah,
ganun.
'di ba? So, you know, it's not really the platform, but how you guide them in
Yes.
that platform, 'di ba? So, yun na, tapos na yung episode.
Yeah.
Yun na siya.
May
yun,
ano
na,
ako,
yun na pala eh.
may parang opinion lang ako, pero hindi ko
Yeah.
alam kung applicable sa lahat.
Yeah,
Based na
shoot.
siguro sa background. Feeling ko parang hindi masyadong nasa-seryoso yung yung PG, yung parental guidance
Yeah.
na kahit sa mga shows, sa movies, parang PG is like G for general, na parang sige, basta PG, okay na yan for lahat,
Yeah.
pinapayagan na. I think dapat mas seryosohin ng parents talaga i-guide kapag may PG sa games or sa kahit anumang
True.
Yeah.
content.
Very
Yeah,
true.
same thoughts. I think mas dapat siyang bigyan ng halaga. Like, for example, naisip ko lang naman, parang at the top of my head, for example, pag nagbebenta ng tickets, yung sinehan, they can like, ma'am, for ano to for ma'am, parental guidance, since may anak kang kasama, for watching that movie. Yeah, but basically, generally speaking, mas alerto tayo sa mga ganyan. Kasi ako,
Parang mas
aminado-
alert ka lang kapag SPG.
Oo,
R13, R18, mga
yeah,
yung
yeah.
R.
Actually, para sa akin nga pag iniisip ko yung mga PG, yung mga ganyan, naisip ko lang siya na part lang ng intro ng 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 movie. Bago magsimula, may magpa-play na ding 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 ding. This movie is
Importante yan.
yeah, pero to give it more importance, generally speaking, I think that's
Pero again, that's a movie house.
Mhm.
Pero yung mga anak natin
Sa
ngayon,
games.
nasa YouTube.
yeah,
Ayun,
Diba?
walang
Kahit
Wala
YouTube
control.
Kids, may rin yan.
that's true.
O
Mhm.
iniwan
Wala.
mo sa Netflix, ang dami ding dyan.
Yeah, so meron akong nakausap before. May mahilig silang mag-Minecraft. May studio sila, may work sila. Pero they wanted to use Minecraft to minister to young people. So they said and very research backed yung yung purpose nila. Sabi nila na tinanong nila kami, what's the highest consumed na type of entertainment in the world ngayon? So there's film, diba? There's film, there's gaming, there's music, there's
Video, movies.
yeah,
Entertainment.
yun na rin yun. Film, music, at saka gaming. So,
Gaming.
ang sinabi nila, ang base sa research statistic, ang pinakamataas by a long shot is gaming. Like
Even
80%.
film and music combined.
Yeah, even film and music
Talaga.
combined. Nasa 20s lang sila.
Oo.
20% lang sila. Very
Talaga.
mababa. And so, a lot of these are kids playing like young ages. So, they said, okay, so kung ganun, how do we bring the kingdom to a majority of the people? Kung ang majority ay nasa gaming, should we start not demonizing the platform, but rather be in the in the platform. So
Platform.
interesting. Okay. So that
Being a
kaya daw pala nila
catalyst.
trinay basically gumawa sila ng parang Jerusalem sa loob ng
Kami yata
Minecraft.
yan. Land of Promise ba yan?
Hindi, iba pa to. Sa,
iba pa?
iba pa siya.
Oh.
Nakausap ko sila before sa Singapore. Sa Singapore
Yeah,
sila.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Hindi siya.
Let me
Patrick
let me
Bessel?
recall. Oh my gosh. Si
kami nga
Patrick.
yun
Yeah, sila,
I worked
sila,
there.
Sila yung gumagawa na. Sila yung gumagawa
You're a
na.
fan?
So may art studio sila.
Yes.
And that's where they told me about it. Kasi my gosh, ang
That's
small.
my boss.
Yeah.
Talaga?
siya yung
Yeah.
player.
Oh
Ayun,
my gosh.
Can you tell us about your work, yung Land of
Yes.
Promise?
Ayun.
Ano nga ba ang
So-
Land of Promise?
Land of Promise. Ayun, shameless plug lang. Ayun.
Yeah.
May merch na kami.
Ay, nice.
One of one pa lang to.
One of one?
Beta printing pa lang.
Okay. Pag nawala yan, alam mo na.
My
So
God.
basically, Land of Promise is actually our goal is to disciple the kids to
Yeah.
to disciple their generation.
Wow.
Very same as what Moses did during the tabernacle era, di ba? Hindi sila nakapunta sa Land of Promise, but yung mga children nakapunta.
Yeah. Mhm.
And ganun din go where the people are. Go where
Okay.
the people are, and the people are in Minecraft.
Mhm.
That time kasi 4 years ago, Minecraft was the biggest gaming for the young audience. Wala pang Roblox nun
Yeah.
before Roblox came in. Pero until now, mas mataas pa rin si Minecraft kaysa kay yung player-based. And then, yung goal na ginagawa namin is parang meron kaming, you can call it youth service in
Yeah.
Zoom. So what we do is, we hold a Bible study first, ranging from different topics in the Bible.
Mhm.
And then, ang task ko is to play with the kids na related yung game sa Bible.
Okay,
For
yeah.
example, Life of David. May
Yeah.
isang curriculum kami, Life of David. Shepherd siya, di ba?
Yeah.
So, what I did is, si David, sa may pastulan niya, and then you need to get the sheep na lost.
Okay.
So, you
okay.
need to bring them.
Gandang activity.
How do people get in the game? Sa lugar na binild ninyo? How do you invite people to go there?
We have a website, www.landofpromise.xyz.
For free.
For free naman siya. Yes. So, mostly we tell it sa mga church people, ganyan, para safe environment for the kids. Kasi kids will be there, di ba? But on the side of safety and security, we monitor the chat din, no? Just in
I
case
see.
there's fishy
Yeah.
messages.
Na sumali.
Oo. And we don't have voice chat in-game. Kasi
Okay,
you can
that's
add the
good.
voice chat
Yeah.
in-game. So we took that out muna kasi it's harder to monitor voice chat.
Yeah.
Pero like yung text chat, may visible siya sa Discord namin. Para even though we're not in-game, Discord bot will flag
screen.
kung may mga weird na sinasabi mga bata.
Okay.
Oo.
I'm sorry, I'm just amazed na
Sabi ko, alam ko yan.
Bessel, yeah.
I'll tell you about that one later.
Kayo pala yun. Kasi nung sinabi nila yun, wala pa ako narinig na parang Land of Promise. Parang, we came there 2024 sa Singapore to, kasi yung pastor namin magmi-minister sa mga offices, and one of the places na he's ministering to is their studio. So, we saw their studio. Sobrang ganda
Wow,
ng studio
yes.
nila. My gosh. Nag-aano sila, anong art ba yung ginagawa nila?
Hyper-realistic.
Yeah, hyper-realistic na ano. Sobrang laki ng studio. All black. Tapos, they told us about of course now, Land of Promise. Kailan po nag-start ang game na to?
Well, yung game itself, Minecraft, has
Oh,
been
yeah.
for a long time.
Yung
Pero
community.
for the
This
community
project.
started mga 4 years ago.
Yeah.
So, ang ganda ng story kasi actually Lily and Patrick, they
Yeah.
are the founder, no? They
Yeah.
are not gamers at all.
Yes.
Tapos
hindi nga daw.
na-prophesy sa kanila about mining.
Mm.
So that
Kaya
time,
Minecraft.
that time uso crypto eh. So they went to
Wow.
crypto first.
Yeah.
Tapos they created mga crypto, and then eventually paano ko i-connect yung crypto sa bata? Parang walang connection.
Yeah.
And then eventually they found a game na about mining, which is Minecraft.
Yeah.
Maganda sa Minecraft, it's a very holistic game.
Yep.
So it's either you can do mining to collect resources, or you can build, or you can create, kasi it's a very sandboxy game.
Yeah.
So it's a, how do you say
Ano,
this?
for the viewers, ano po ang ibig sabihin ng sandbox?
Oh, sandbox is you're parang sa real life may sandbox, diba? You put the kid there, may sand, they can do anything there.
Within
So
that,
designing,
No
building.
limitations.
No limitations. Basically
So
limitations.
creativity din talaga.
Yes. Yeah.
Creativity
So,
lang yung limitation.
True.
Does it cost the game?
Yeah, meron. Yeah,
Cost din.
you need to buy the game. Pero is parang ano na siya. Once you buy it, yung
Yun na yun, lifetime na yun.
Yeah.
Okay.
And our nakakatawa ngayon ko lang napansin, no, most of our members, kasi ang konti lang namin, biblical yung names.
Okay.
Yung gumagawa ng curriculum namin,
Yeah.
his name is Moses from Taiwan. Developer namin is Mark from South Africa. Pastoral namin is Josiah from UK. And then one of our facilitators before, his name's David.
Yeah.
So puro biblical. Actually, natawa lang ako. Kami lang pala yung nasa Philippines. Like si Evea and me. Kami lang yung non-biblical.
Okay.
Palitan mo na yung name mo, yung code name.
Palitan ko na.
Yeah.
Well, technically, my name is Andrew.
Oh, pwede. Yun.
Na E lang yung start. So,
Andrew. Okay, it's very very
Biblical
interesting
din, biblical.
kasi the way they explained it to us nung 2 years ago, they said na if the enemy is trying to pollute the minds of teenagers, why not minister to younger ages so
Yes.
that bata ka pa lang
Parang
ay
prevention is key.
Yeah.
yeah.
Kasi doon naman sila patungo eh.
Yes.
Mag-games
Eventually,
mag-games din
pupunta rin
sila.
sila sa games. Eh.
Yeah.
Like tayo, lumaki tayong, let's say, nag-Ragnarok ka, nag-online ka, di ba?
Mhm.
Doon ka na-i-influence ng ibang
Yeah.
tao, di ba?
Yeah.
Why not be the good influence rather than the bad influence?
Yeah. And sakto kasi when the younger you are, the more spongy yung
Yes.
tanggap mo ng information, 'di ba? Nagiging siya nagiging parang foundation siya ng thinking mo eh.
Oo. Parang sa Inside Out, core memories.
Yeah.
Doon marami lumalabas.
So kung nagiging foundational siya, most of your decisions when you grow up are based from that, 'di ba?
Yes,
So if you have the wrong foundations, you make the
Yeah.
wrong decisions, and and we can see that with how some kids are sa binabalita, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Na it's not as we talked about it earlier, it's not the platform itself, it's how they were raised. And so, hindi ko alam kung pwede ba i-mention yun, yung pangyayari recently about kids and violence, no?
True.
Na talagang inaano pa nila yung kapwa kaklase nila, mga teachers, sinasaktan nila and everything. I think it has something to do with that, no? Na it's spiritually parang speaking, no, it's the enemy trying to
Get into that space.
get into the space, no, especially for very conservative people. Hindi tayo basta-basta papasok diyan sa digital na yan. Very very protective tayo. So what the enemy does is they penetrate na agad the digital space so that when they come in, walang resistance at all.
True.
Yeah. And so that's why I really nakatatlong kwento na ata ako sa inyo tungkol dun sa punta ko dun.
Yeah. Na-recall ko nga. Pero
Tapos si Kuya Ends lang pala yun.
siya pala yung kwento mo.
Oo.
Pero your thoughts on the yung effect ng gaming sa young people. Like, mangyayari ba talaga yun na like if you play a shooting game or a game na full of gore, magre-reflect ba sa personal life mo yun? How you interact with people?
As a gamer myself, small percentage, and mostly is the people you play with. Kasi once they do it, parang pag hindi mo ginawa, yung OP pala,
Out
out
of place.
of place pala.
Okay.
Yeah. You feel out of place, so dapat ikaw rin ganun.
Mhm.
Kaya ang daming, may isang friend ka nag-cosplay, ko-cosplay ka na ganun, di ba? That's in a good way.
Mhm.
But that could happen in a bad way also. If your friend is, hurting people,
Mm-hmm.
you might join him also. So it's
That's
either
true.
you be the temperature or you be the thermometer.
Oh,
Bad
okay.
company corrupts good character.
Yeah.
True.
Proverbs.
You are who you
Or with.
mingle with.
Who you are with.
Parang ganun? Something? Yeah.
So parang,
And
ano tayo, puro quotes?
Quotable.
For the reals.
and online kasi it's easier to be mingled by people.
Everyone,
Yeah.
basically.
And sadly, the harvest is plentiful in online, but the workers are offline.
Yeah, that's true. So, tawag dito, since it's a ministry, I think it's a good opportunity rin to invite people na there is a ministry in the digital space,
Yes,
in
correct.
gaming.
Yeah,
There is a
encourage.
that's a good eye opener din for everyone na it's not all
It's
tawag
not
dito,
just all fun.
end games.
Yeah.
Ano ba? Bakit
Not
puro
all.
quotable sa hindi
Yeah. Pero sir, what's your take on banning mga games?
Yeah.
Dahil we have with the recent
Banning
shooting and
games.
incidents.
Ah.
May matutulong ba ang pag-ban ng games, limit ng ano?
No, kasi ang dami ng kids na have adult account Diba?
Mhm.
Kasi everything online, minsan hindi binabantayan ng parents.
Yeah.
Kaya sila nakakagawa ng account na normal na playing those games. For example, the Tacloban one.
Mhm.
Diba the game is is 18 plus.
Yeah.
Pero hindi siya 18 plus. Ba't siya nakalaro?
Yeah,
Paano siya
exactly.
nakagawa ng account?
Yeah.
Diba?
So, para pag gumagawa tayo ng Facebook ng bata tayo, for example, May 19, gagawin mo 1980 something.
Pasok lang para ano rin kasi pumapasok dyan din yung sa out of place. Kasi friends mo meron sila.
That's true. Yeah.
Dapat meron ka rin.
So no ban on
No ban, but
any type of game.
stricter restrictions.
Okay.
So,
Like yung
May
the
involved
PG.
na parenting
Yeah.
talaga.
Okay.
And
So-
if ever your son is already playing those games, you need to explain what are this, no? You don't just leave like an analogy ko kanina, you don't leave your child on a playground and ask a terrorist to play with them, di ba?
And how easy it is for yung mga predators to groom young people online sa mga games na yan?
Oh.
Madali lang talaga sa kanila to
It's
convince
very,
people.
very easy. Kasi example dyan is nakita ko to sa TikTok. Yung
Yeah.
nagdo-doom scroll ako. Pero nangyari kasi doon is for example 2 years ago very very big ang Grow a Garden, di ba?
Yeah.
A lot of people play that games. A lot of kids play that games. A lot of adults na naging digital plantito and plantita. Isa na rin ako doon. Pero I played it because the kids are playing it. So I know what is happening.
Yeah.
Ganon. And napansin ko ang mechanics, not just in Grow a Garden but 90% of Roblox games, ang mechanic nila is you grind. If you grind, you get something
Yeah.
special. And adults can grind easily kasi they're adults.
Yeah.
They don't have limitations.
That's true.
But kids cannot grind. So ang ginagawa ng groomers is they grind for these things and they use that as here's a candy.
I see.
Here's at start lang siya, parang just do this parkour, I'll give you this as a prize, di ba?
Okay.
Ang daming ginagamit yan ng mga YouTubers.
Mhm.
So ginamit din ng mga groomers to get what they want.
Okay.
So may task and then bibigyan ng reward yung bata.
Yes.
Okay, if they do
Yeah,
when you say grind, is spending as much time as you can
And they
sa
can
game
spend
na yan.
money din to expedite yung grind, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yung kids kasi wala eh. They have maybe max 4 hours a day.
Yeah. So parang figuratively, it's really like a predator trying to
Here's a candy.
here's a candy for
Yes.
for
In
kids.
the digital world.
I see.
And if you
Okay.
look at most of the games in Roblox, ganun lahat.
Mhm. Do you think any type of game, or rather online game, can has that risk?
Yes. Especially pag may multiplayer aspect and may socialization aspect.
Okay.
Kasi dun nagsisimula yung they call it trading or such. Actually, ang daming games nga na hindi pwedeng gawin yon. Like yung
Oh.
account selling, ganun.
Yeah.
But it still happens.
Kasi, okay, so if allowing communication in-game causes it, do you guys think na what if we remove chatting in-game?
Gagawan pa rin sila ng paraan.
May paraan pa rin.
Oo. Like, they would invite you, di ba, we're friends, we're giving you these stuffs. Okay, come to this Discord.
Yeah.
Dito kami nagbibigay pa ng board
Yeah,
games.
okay.
Ibang app.
I see. Yeah.
Doon,
I see.
may voice chat.
Yeah.
Hindi na control ng game yun.
And you know, minsan even YouTubers, content
Yes.
creators are
They do it also.
predators themselves. Oo. They've used their basically their content, no, pang ano na rin, no, pang
Yeah.
Panghatak ng followers.
Yeah.
And masaklap doon, minsan yung content creator, wala naman siyang masamang mali siya.
Mhm.
Pero one of his viewers may mali siya na nasa Discord.
I see. Okay.
So, yung mga ganun, it's hard to prevent.
Mhm.
So, ang pinaka best case scenario is put a vaccine on something para pagka nag-arrive yung sickness,
Yeah.
alam nila paano i-counter.
Mhm.
So, how do we do that? So, that's where we teach the children how to behave online. Na stranger danger pa rin yan kahit online.
Okay.
And yung analogy of a stranger giving you a candy, if you didn't tell that one to kids right now, kasi it doesn't happen in real life naman masyado na,
Di na,
unless
oo.
yung
Yeah.
panahon natin. or like, right now, it doesn't matter much.
Palabas na lang siya
Oo.
kumaga.
So yung online version nga na yun, that happens every day.
Mhm. Okay, so what would you advise? Kasi you are very experienced on gaming and you are a streamer as well. What would you advise kids who like interacting in games, who like playing games and don't want to, and this is also I guess for the parents who
Yes.
who don't want to detach fully sa gaming, still want to play games, but ayun nga, in light of what's happening, the risks, how would you advise them or clear up yung understanding nila of the risks and of the space of gaming itself?
Okay, let's go with the best case scenario first, no?
Mhm.
Best case scenario, you play with your children.
Okay.
Para kung
Yeah.
meron silang
Agree.
chat or voice or kung may nag-aalok sa kanila, alam mo.
Yeah.
And then you could prevent it
Okay.
agad. And then maganda dun is that's also a learning experience for them.
Mhm.
Para you tell them na, pag may ganitong guy, may nag-aalok sa'yo ganyan, diba? Huwag mong pansinin.
I see. Okay.
So, it's a learning for experience for them na para kahit wala ka, they know how to
Yeah.
react.
Kasi masanay na eh.
Yes, oo.
Hindi na siya parang yung pakiramdam na nire-restrict ka.
Mm.
Maging natural na sa bata yun.
Also, it's quality time.
Yes, correct. May mga parents tayo na they get to be with their child after work na, madilim na, they can go out na.
Mhm. Yeah.
And maganda kasi sa digital games is
Hindi
it
ka naman-
puts you in a playground
Yeah.
with your
okay.
son. It's
Yeah.
like playing catch a ball in a digital way. Yeah.
Mhm.
So that's the best case scenario. no?
Mhm. Yeah.
And a family that prays together, di ba? Pwede yung plays
Plays
together.
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 Plays together.
Okay na.
Plays and praise na lang. Diba?
Tapos pag nag-overcooked,
Poster.
mag-aaway-away.
Oh, pare, overcooked. Ano, that itry
Yeah,
natin.
naglalaro din
yan.
kami noon.
Sigawan.
Yung mga ganun game.
Ang bagal mo naman magluto. Ano ba?
Yung plato, walang
Ba't
naghuhugas.
mo na maayos? So may mga ganung effect siya.
Oo.
Pasensya. For other cases naman.
Worst, syempre, wag naman sana
Yeah.
worst case scenario. Siguro, another scenario is, although, kasi may scenario na you can't, either the parents don't play games talaga,
Yeah.
and the kids playing the games.
Yeah.
At least, be beside them. Pag
Okay.
naglalaro sila. Or kunyari nagtatrabaho ka, nandiyan sa tabi mo. Hindi yung naiwan mo lang sa
Yeah.
room. Kasi, at least kung may tanong siya, dad, parang, dada, this guy is gonna give me this, 3-star, ganun.
Yeah.
Tapos, he's asking me for this one. Diba, syempre, medyo similar pa rin. Pero, hindi siya yung fully hands-on.
Yeah.
Kasi yung first scenario is fully hands-on ka na doon
That's true.
ka. And you can talagang block off talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi
So kahit hindi ka gamer, dapat binabantayan mo pa rin yung anak mo
Yes.
talaga. You,
Talaga.
you see what they're browsing.
that's why PG, parental guidance talaga.
Hindi pwedeng screen parenting na nagsa-cellphone ka rin, nagsa-cellphone din yung anak mo. Ano kayo nakatutok sa phone? Walang pansinan.
Siguro bigyan natin until college. Kasi I think college, mas alam na nila.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pero pag
Tagal
you're
nun, ha?
younger, yeah.
Pero yeah, important.
Yeah.
So PG for parental gaming.
Yeah, parental gaming. Yeah.
Okay.
Siguro hindi lang sanay po yung mga parents kasi nagiging way po kasi yung paghayaan mo sa mga bata na maglaro sila para magawa mo rin yung gawain mo, para multitasking, para hindi sila tantrums ba?
Tantrum.
Tantrums. Pero hindi, na mas nagke-create nga yun ng tantrums once nasanay na sila sa gadget, yung mga iPad kids na tinatawag.
Yeah.
Pag tinanggal mo yun sa kanila, wala. Magka-tantrums yan.
Actually, yung mga kids ngayon, pag walang wifi, hindi na alam gagawin sa buhay nila.
So,
parang, I'm bored.
yeah.
Ano kami?
Di na sila
Gulay?
Yan yung sabi ng anak ko, Daddy, I'm bored. I'm bored. Daddy,
Yung
I'm
panahon
bored
natin, kahit paperclip, pinaglalaroan natin.
Kasi nga yung attention span short na. Extra
Ginagawa
challenging lang talaga sa panahon ngayon yung parenting din sa gaming. Pero,
Ginagawa nilang, kasi, tawag doon, babysitter ang iPad.
ayun.
If you watch Toy Story 5.
Yeah.
Napanood lang namin.
No spoiler.
Yeah.
Yeah. Napanood mo na ba, Sir
Hindi
Jay?
pa.
Ang Toy Story?
Bata daw eh.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Especially
Pang-family.
this generation.
Yeah. Na-encounter nyo na, sakto sa sinabi mo, na-encounter nyo na yung, I guess this is for the parents din, no? Na, pag in-introduce yung thought na, parang games or something, hindi, ayoko yan, pambata. Pambata yan, hindi yan, wala yan sa edad ko. So, have you encountered that na, naglalaro ka ng Roblox?
Yeah, me, myself. Because, siguro, I
Pambata
think,
yan, di ba?
praise the Lord na, my work allows me to do those things. Kasi we are really dealing with kids talaga.
Yeah.
So, we're actually, if you can save in a normal way now, kasi grooming has been a bad term na eh. Pero what we're doing is discipling, actually. Discipling na lang kaysa grooming.
Yeah.
We're discipling and making sure that they can protect themselves once they go out there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Discipling young people sa
To
game,
disciple.
in-game.
Yes, correct.
Okay. And teaching them how to disciple others din.
Yes, correct.
Effective pala yung ganun sa gaming,
Yeah.
And
Interesting.
you think if parents are more active on their children when it comes to gaming, whether makipaglaro sila or they watch them as they play, do you think they can practice self-control pagdating sa, kasi may tendency ang gaming na maging
Depende rin sa parents. Kung yung parents walang self-control, wala. Yeah. Or it start with the parents. They
Yeah.
need to walk the walk first. Kasi
How to game.
ang anak natin, gagayahin lang tayo, di ba?
yeah.
Agree.
That's true. Ayun, let's continue. I think we could play a game.
Ay, gusto ko.
Wow.
Tara
First
na.
time natin gagawin to.
Anong game?
Meron
Anong game
tayong
kaya to?
Game, G.
Game ka na ba?
Ano ba laro yan?
So, lalaruin po namin ay
Napakabago.
Super
bago.
Mario Brothers.
Ay, di namin naabutan yun.
Ay,
Ano?
ang una ay
Pen,
si...
pen.
Sige.
Ladies first.
Si Chevy. Paunahin natin.
Ano ba yan?
Papakita ni Chevy sa inyo kung paano hindi laruin yung Mario.
Sige. Basher.
Basher.
Bawal yan. Trash talk.
Yeah.
Boo! Boo!
Mali. Ayun na.
Wala to.
Next.
Wala pa nga eh.
Okay, go.
Ayun.
Go.
Nakakainis naman.
May komentary. Yan na po si Chevy.
Ayun.
Balon.
Ang lead po niya sa laro. Ang lead niya rin po sa in person.
Totoong buhay.
Grabe. Sir, grabe ka. Grabe ka, Sir Jay.
Laro.
Wait lang, nape-pressure ako sa inyo eh.
Nagmalaki na. Maninira po siya. Sinira niya po
Wait
yung mga
lang.
yung mga block.
Alam mo,
Kaya
okay,
today.
rage baiter ni Sir Jay. Rage baiter.
Kaya today.
Nakakainis.
Intense
Ayoko na, dito na lang ako.
2 years
Dito na ako
later.
sa-
Alam mo
Ay,
na yun.
Oy, pero pala ganun. Di ko alam yan
Nag-shortcut.
Madaya dito eh. Ay hindi, mahirap sa PC.
Yan na po siya.
Kasi may shortcut sa finish
Yan na
line.
po. Yan na po yung mga kamag-anak niya. Sinasalubong na po siya. Hindi niya po pinaset.
Sorry.
Mga
Alam mo,
kamag-anak.
may technique to eh. Paano ba to?
No.
Ay, hindi ko alam. Basta-
Hindi pa niya pinagbabawal ng technique. Galing.
2,000!
277. So 27. Tandaan mo sa'yo ha,
Score.
277 ka.
Di ba tapos?
Di ba ito? 3-8.
Ay, di ba tapos?
Hindi, okay na yan.
Next. Papakita ko sa inyo
277
paano hindi gawin
In
to.
time?
Oo.
Cut yung disco.
So 27. Ulitin niyo po, sir.
Kaya today,
1, 2, 3.
Shadow daw easy. Ni-change mo.
ayun nga, nag-start na eh.
Ayan na.
Go.
Okay na yan.
Sige.
Tenent.
Lahat ng coins ha, lahat ng ano.
Oh, speedrunner.
Ayaw ng malaki. Small but terrible. O sige. Ayaw.
DNF.
Pinakita ko sa inyo paano laruin.
Okay.
Game.
O sige, Chris, namamatay ka na.
Kanya-kanya sariling sound effect. Ready and game.
Tenent.
Ito po si Chris Madrigal. Kinuha niya po lahat ng coin para nangangailangan talaga siya. Yan na po, lumaki na po siya.
Oh, fun trivia
Lumaki na
daw.
yung malulo.
Yung parents ko, sinabi, kain daw ako ng mushroom para maging malakas ako.
Effective naman. Kumain
Kumain
kayo
naman
ng
ako.
mushroom.
Tsaka ano nung uso nun, Papay.
Ah, wow,
Uy, paano?
alam
Ba't alam
niya.
mo yun?
Gamer talaga to. Taas ka sa
Diyan po
beanstalk.
sila na puyat sa pag-atake.
Ay nako, Chris. Ay nako, turtle.
Diyan po sila na
Turtle.
puyat. Yan na po
Chris!
naubos yung ating episode. Yung
Yung
time
coins,
natin.
yung star. Sige, kaya mo yan.
Seryoso po siya, oh. Nanginginig pa.
Wala, force.
Next.
290 yan.
Tingnan natin.
Wala. Natalo pala ako.
Tingnan natin, professional gamer.
Parang si Chevy mo na
Parang
nalo.
ano, final stage na dapat
Ayan,
to
kasi
si
binasya
Sir
ko nung
Enz.
una.
O Kuya
Hindi ko
Enz.
naabutan tong game na to.
Totoo. Siyempre,
Wala.
Ako hindi ko nilaro yan. Maski nung bata ko, hindi ko nilaro yung
Talaga?
Mario yan.
Game Boy,
yan
ano
yung
kasi
first
ito eh.
ever.
Pero ang hirap nga sa sa keyboard.
Ay, hirap,
Diba?
may delay.
Dapat joystick eh.
Controller daw.
Wow.
Ay!
Ah.
Wow!
Wala,
Shortcut
dapat
kaya
ano,
siya. Ay,
dapat
wow.
final stage dapat si Sir Enz.
Ups! Ups,
Oh,
ups,
maingat si
ups.
Sir Enz.
Wow, meron na siyang bala.
Ay, hindi abot. Ay,
Yeah.
paano tirahin to? Anong
Command ata.
Itatype mo.
Shift.
Itatype mo fire.
Fire! Yan yung gusto ko yung may ano.
Fireball!
Shortcut.
Enter. Fireball,
Star ata
fireball.
yan eh. Ay, hindi.
Okay.
Fireball!
Star yung isa.
Hadouken!
Star ata.
Dukin.
May star? Dito.
Ang hirap
Ito pala
tumakbo
maging
eh.
ano, streamer.
Yun. Yun, no?
Sariling sikap yung sound effects, oh.
Mahuhulog! Sige, dapat
fireball.
yung pinaka-top ng finish. Yung pole.
Ayan.
Go to Enz. Here we go.
Yeah,
1, 2, 3.
Ano?
Well.
Merong, ang hirap sa...
Ay,
Wala.
David.
So,
Wala eh. Keyboard
na
eh.
yan.
next game. Counter-Strike naman.
Oh, let's go.
Sino nalo?
Parang ikaw.
Go.
Ikaw na.
Ayun, maraming salamat sa pag-participate sa... Hindi ko alam kung magaling
Tumawa
tayo,
natin.
kung matatawag na magaling. By the way, level 1 po yun ah.
Level 1 talaga.
I-promote
Mga
na natin
noob.
yung Mario. Pumili na po kayo ng Super Mario
Not
Brothers.
sponsored by the way by Nintendo. Ay, baka maano tayo.
Hindi.
Mahilig sila mo.
Ano, wala naman sound effects.
Wala.
Pero ano, sa tingin nyo, makaka-ano ba siya? May negative effect ba siya sa inyo?
Parang ako na stress, parang gusto kong manapak.
Paano sa pack?
Sino? Sino gusto?
Gusto kong manapak. Lakas ng effect, no? Saglit lang naglaro.
Pero it's very fun
Oo.
when it's with people.
Oo.
Yes.
Yung masaya yung commentary.
Oo.
Tsaka yung sound effects.
Basta walang basher.
O, panalo si Chevy. Congratulations.
Yeah.
May award.
May award ko mamaya. Congratulations.
Wow.
Ayan. So
Riot
before we
Gamer talaga.
Okay, so before we conclude, what are your takeaways na lang sa usapan natin before we end?
Ako as a parent, coming from a parent na nag-effort ako makipaglaro talaga sa anak ko, like online games na kailangan ng gamepad o So mga co-op games, we play that. Tapos we try to spend time together playing mga physical games.
Yeah.
So teaching your daughter to parang hand-eye coordination, yung
Yeah.
ako tinatry ko ituro yung yung maging gracious in defeat, yung kahit matalo ka, ma-dead ka sa laro, kailangan hindi ka masyadong magpapekto sa laro. Kasi it's part of fun and play. So, and sa akin magandang point yung kasi at a later time maglalaro talaga siya ng online games. Like sa Roblox, hindi ko alam na ganun pala ka effective yung strategy ng mga groomers, mga predators to entice young people to to do things na you won't allow your child to do sa physical or 'di ba sa playground niya na minention kanina. So maging aware talaga like kung anong ginagawa ng anak mo, kung paano and how much time they spend on games.
Ako, yung talaga more on sa parenting. Kahit hindi pa ako parent, I mean as anak, malaking tulong talaga yun na samahan mo yung anak mo. Kasi parang effort mo na rin yun as a parent. Ba, quality time. And nakakatawa actually na makakita na or maka-encounter na meron talagang parents na gamers din.
Yeah.
And willing na palaruin yung anak nila. So, I think maganda na tingnan natin yung game or gaming not in a bad lens, pero in a perspective na tool siya kasi ginagamit ka for discipleship So, it can be for negative or positive, pero dapat gamitin natin siya, i-maximize natin siya para mas maging positive yung effect sa bata.
Yes.
Amen.
Okay, kayo po, sir.
Yung parent and child bonding talaga can be in both physical and digital. And kasi hindi natin alam kung yung anak mo in the future kung anong mahihilig and it will change anytime, diba? So you need to prepare both digitally and physically. And I know in the future baka umuso na yung VR or any new technologies.
Yeah.
You
Actually,
try to
ngayon nga
catch
po,
up.
Meron na talaga
Yeah, meron
noon,
na, no?
Actually, noon pa. May VR na.
True. So parang you need to keep up with technology.
Yeah.
Kasi it will become a norm for them
That's true.
Yung time natin hindi pa norm.
Oh.
Parang ganon.
Okay, so isa-isa po tayo. Let's answer this. Gaming becomes unhealthy when continue.
Oh.
Okay.
Sa akin gaming becomes unhealthy when you are physically getting unhealthy na rin. Like kung may symptoms na like may effect na sa psyche mo, sa physical body mo, 'di ba? Mabilis ka na magalit, ganyan. So unhealthy na siya.
Yeah.
Gaming becomes unhealthy when it controls you, not you controlling the game.
Okay.
Oh.
Ano na? Parang na-imagine ko yung visual na controller tas may tao.
Puppet ka na.
Yeah.
Ikaw na yung kinokontrol ng controller.
Yeah. Ganda nun. Kaya po, sir.
Anything too much naman is bad So limit lang.
Okay. So for me, gaming becomes unhealthy when unsupervised.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Monitored.
That's a good one.
So in anything in life, if it's unsupervised, even in Christian, even in your Christian journey nga
Yung disciple mo, hindi mo journey yan.
Yeah,
Baka mag-stumble yan.
yeah. Or kung Christian ka pero wala kang sinasubmitan na leader or mentor, everyone.
Won't grow.
Yeah, exactly. So, ayun, maraming salamat po sa mga viewers namin and everyone who joined us in this episode.
Yes.
Sana po may na pick up po tayo na especially from Sir Enz, very valuable piece of information and advice that you can share to your kids and to fellow parents and to mga kaklase nyo kung bata pa kayo or anything that any advice and wisdom that you can get from this episode. We hope na may nakuha po kayo. So for everyone who's watching, kindly follow, support. You can support us. Just like and share our episodes. Kung may mga hindi pa kayo napapanood na episodes, we always post our revised versions
Online on YouTube.
Yeah, online.
And Spotify.
On all those platforms. So maraming salamat po. This will be our episode for today.
Episode 30.
Episode 30 for Respawn or
Black
Reset.
Shirt Crew.
Maraming salamat po. This is the
Thank you.
Black Shirt Crew. By the way, my name is
Bye-bye.
Chris,
JR.
Chevy, and Sir Enz. See you
Sure
guys.
Penguin. Bye-bye.
Hi! Thank you for listening to the Black Shirt Crew podcast. Tuloy natin ang kwentuhan. Join our Facebook group community at Media and Ministry Forum. Kita-kits!